wanted to do was to turn the Chicago River around. Instead of having it flow east into the lake, reverse the flow of the river and have it go south and west toward the Mississippi. Now, how do you do that? How do you turn a river? Technology and design, and they left our city with a wonderful legacy that we absolutely love to show off. So we're heading back up the South Branch, and I'm going to point out a couple of the major buildings that you see on the skyline, and yes, I will begin with the tallest. It's headquarters for the American Bar Association. Skidmore designed this lovely tri-level river walk between the two bridges that unites the space between the AVA building and the Westin Hotel. Remember Bertrand Goldberg. I talked about him on the South Branch of River City, about how he wanted people to stay, live in the city, be near where they work, where they can play. Here on our left is his first residential project. 1960s, these two circular towers, Marina City, the first residential development in downtown Chicago. Bertrand Goldberg, he opened up people's eyes to the possibility of staying in the